Hello all, welcome to the ANSYS Learning Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to conduct stress analysis on a stepped bar. So go open ANSYS Workbench and choose static structural as the analysis type. I'm not going to change the material. I'm continuing with the predefined material. And we right click on geometry, it choose import geometry and import that step bar as an IGS file. Next, we double click on model to open mechanical. First, we generate our mesh. After that, we will apply the boundary conditions and loading. So right click on static structural, insert fixed support and fixed fixed support this face. Click apply. Next, I will insert a loading. So I will insert a force and choose this face. Click apply. We know that we have two types of loads. One is vector and another one is components. I'm choosing components and I'm applying a load in the y direction and the magnitude of the load is 1000 Newton. So right click on the solution, insert, go to fatigue and insert the fatigue tool. So once you click the fatigue tool, you will have many options here. So one is fatigue strength factor KF. So in our case, there is no KF. So I'm proceeding with the one. Then in type of loading, we have fully reversed, zero based, then ratio. Ratio means we can provide some ratio between the maximum and minimum. History data. History data means we can provide the trend of the curve. So I'm continuing with the fully reversed. And I'm going to find out the stress life. So you can choose stress life or the strain life. Now in the stress component, there are standard theories are available. So I'm choosing equivalent non-Mises stress. Now right click on the fatigue tool and insert. I want equivalent alternating stress. Also I need life and I'm also inserting the safety factor. Now right click on the solution and click solve. The maximum stress is 60.866 megapascal. You can click the equivalent alternating stress and you can animate like this. Then if you choose life, then the life is 1 into e power 6 cycles. That is endurance life. Then in the safety factor, you can see that the maximum factor of safety is 15 and the minimum is 1.4162, which means that it is safe for the applied load. If it's less than 1, then the design is not safe. So you can animate like this. That's all. Thanks for watching and see you next video. Thank you.